Hi, good morning, everyone. What a wonderful Saturday today. We are entering to the 19th webinar on various electrical safety, electronic equipment webinar, and various subjects related to electrical safety. Today, 6th of October, we are doing two-part webinar on lightning protection for electronic equipments. All of you know the surge and lightning damages to electronic is a frequent occurrence. Lightning can strike the air conductors directly and surge voltages even from kilometer away. Even from a kilometer away, it can enter your installation. The surge voltage is then passed through ground through the equipment, which can lead to damage, complete destruction of your equipment. If you do not follow the international standards, if you do not follow the best practices, this is what happens. Lightning typically damages the electronic in two ways. The first is a direct lightning striking to the building, which is an infrequent occurrence. A direct lightning strike will cause significant damage to electrical and non-electrical items in the premises. In many instances, there is a huge fire started due to lightning also. Today, we are going to understand the reason for the failure of electronics due to lightning. As you all know, the entire initiative of electrical safety webinar is an initiative of Cape Electric, who has been continuously trying their best to educate and create awareness about various international standards and standard that India should practice, because our cultures are different completely. Most of the incident that occurs is all because of our ignorance. वो चलता है attitude that we have. मेरे को कुछ नहीं लगता है. Nothing going to happen to me and my building. So why I should care? Why I should change the wire? Why I should have the protection equipment in the building? Because I pray to 10,000 gods, God will protect me. So this is the attitude that we have. You've seen the recent fire in Bhopal, where 8 people died. Out of that, 4 are the inpatient and 4 are the hospital staff. What caused the fire? There are various, because once the building is burned down, it's very difficult to point a finger at the reason for the fire to start. Nobody can identify exact, but in our study, the experience of 30, 40 years of experience, 80% of the time is poor electrical installation in the building has caused the fire. It was a big learning. Hope the Madhya Pradesh government will wake up and ensure that they practice a safe electrical installation in the building. All of you know Cape Electric, and I would like to highlight 2 important things that in 2019, global earthing system interconnecting EHV, HV and LV and ELV system for large industrial and commercial installation for smart city was introduced. In 2022, they have introduced a digital platform for safe operation of voltage electricity called Solve LV. So we will talk more about it after our speaker, Gopakumar, present the topic. Leading the market with right solution is their motto, and the team in Cape Electric are continuously trained to provide end-to-end solution from design to implementation rather than selling a product for the customer need. This is the practice that they do, and since they have been very generous in creating a lot of awareness, I would just wanted to introduce the product that deal the best in the world. And They are one of the best known electrical company specialized in protection, fire safety, electrical safety protection equipment they have. So these are the lightning protection and earthing system they deal with, and surge protection devices. And this is the solve that that has been introduced this year. All of you know, Gopakumar is a missionary in preaching the safe electric practices. Having more than 28 years of experience in electrical safety, lightning protection, EMI and EMC, etc., carried out hundreds of site studies on failure analysis of electronic equipment and hundreds of electrical accident analysis, including various fire accident from electricity. He has conducted more than 1,000 training in various countries on subject of his expertise. Mr. Gopakumar is a member of National Building Code 2016 Electrical Committee and responsible for IS and IEC 62305. He is also the member of working group, the technical committee in IEC, and responsible for international standards and guides for lightning protection for structure, person, installation, and content, as well as lightning hazard preventive measure. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome Sri Gopakumar. I would request all the audience who are present here, if you have any questions on that, whatever your question should be very particular to the topic that we are discussing today. I would request everyone to post only into the Q&A. If you put it on chat box, that will not come into our record, because some of the questions are maybe very important. When we finish the webinar, we want to reply to them. We will not be able to reply to you in person because we do not have your email ID. We do not have the chat record. So I would request all the participants to post your question only in Q&A box that you find on the bar. And we'll be posting our speaker's email ID, which you may note, and also the product, the deal. I would request to encourage Cape Electric, because you have not seen many electrical safety companies who are preaching on knowledge. So I would urge, my request to everyone, give your preferences to Cape Electric because they have the world-class product. And Mr. Gopakumar, one of the best known brain in the country on electrical safety. I now welcome Mr. Gopakumar to do the presentation on this.